Stop! Bro, I sneezed. It wasn't even a real sneeze. It was just unfunny. I fake sneeze. What do you want me to do about it? Not do it again. Whoa! Do that again. That was actually cool. Sneeze again. I can't sneeze like a man. All right, when you get back, I'll tell you.
Spat that milk down my back and later took it to my butt crack and...
You good? So that's the first one. Also, when I sneeze, when I have allergies, it's not like a regular sneeze. Like, it's like a... I think that's just you, Grace. Alright, so whoever spits it out the fastest... So, we thought we probably need to customize our rooms a little bit more because, you know, they're lacking in the whole self. I gotta take my allergy medication. Let's sneeze. Can you wait? Can you get your shit together? I'm trying. What was that? Okay.
No. I said no.
I didn't just say no. I said I'm gonna sneeze.
No. I'm just getting to you. Excuse me, sir.
This room's like dusty.
They're so phony. Adam.
Sneezes. I'm allergic to something. So, okay. There's sneeze. Okay, sneeze.
Oh, okay. Wow. That was trying to end by saying the Oscars Hotel. Oh no, don't sneeze again, don't sneeze again, don't sneeze again.
Okay, sneeze again.
Oh my god. Excuse me. Now we've just reached 200,000 subscribers in less than a year. God, here are some of the hilarious guesses we got. Enjoy it. Oh, I'm allergic to cats.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Oh.
So,
All I want to do is sneeze.
oh, I just did it.
Did you hear that?
I did. I saw it. It was kind of a cough.
Here comes another one. I thought it. Oh, that was for real.
It's all right. Oh, there's one. All he had to do was hold the bag of ice, and it made him sneeze.
Oh yeah, there's
Yeah.
one. Yeah, I got it. You remember gonna sneeze? Whoa.
You can put sneeze powder in there.
Oh God! Wipe your nose.
Story to maybe help other people reach for their dreams. Thanks so much, Rhett and Link, GMM staff. Bless you, because I'm tight.
I'm allergic to Joshua Corrado.
Rules for a short game, 60 to 90 minutes of fun. There are 3 rules for a short game.
My own house.
I can't get up. I can't, bless you. Just can't get it together.
God.
Dang, man, you're allergic to this octodad? Guinness, as it turns out, needs prior notification of any record holder.
About to win.
Where did you get that invincibility thing? What is it, man?
The frogs.
Backdrop. B. Okay.
Now, Harry recommends they do it ghost style. Have you seen that? I'm sure.
So what he does is, you can, bless you, is that a fart? It stinks.
Yeah, farted all over my
Smells,
heart.
it smells horrible.
Gosh.
No, I you know,
Great.
I court,
Is it a staple?
No, it is not a staple.
Good. It's not bad. It is.
Enthusiasts, certain type of the
I gotta
year,
sneeze, too.
everyone, but
Certain time of the year, everyone?
most people, like my girlfriend, but she just doesn't enjoy to do the types of things that would necessitate something to
Turn it up.
I farted! And they're different whenever I would hear them. So, let's
Sneeze music. Kind of get past the whole like Trying to drop hints.
Well, yes, except that nobody looks like your parents. Ever. But then after, bless
Sorry,
you.
I'm allergic to stories about Q-tips. Is that a word? Great boy. Are the dolls making me sneeze?
Okay, thanks, Grandma. Bye. Hold on, I have to sneeze. Squad rifles out now. Description, get a new one. I think I'm starting to get sick. Yay for that.
They're saying that the Earth. Oh, I'm getting allergic to this bullshit. I mean, stay respectful.
YOLO. Not my first time taking sport. Nope. Nope. None of that nugget over here.
Chicken nugget went up my nose, 100%. That's what happened. Oh, I'm better now. Oh! Maybe that was what I needed.
That was all nugget.
There's literally a chicken nugget in my nose. That's what that was.
That is not cool.
I can't do
We
this.
quit sneezing.
What are you?
John.
Come on. It's love track. No!
Hey, look at my nose cup.
Pretty girl.
Oh my god, I just figured out what I can use this for. Ready? Oh, fuck.
You know what I like to do? I like to make myself sneeze because it feels like a tiny orgasm.